This year I'm starting a brand new exterior cleaning business. Part of that business is window cleaning. Not only am I doing water-fed pole window cleaning, I'm also doing traditional window cleaning, and that leads me into this kit right here. It is the Unger Ninja Ergotech 6-in-1 window cleaning set. You get everything you're going to need in there to start doing traditional window cleaning. I'll show you what's in there in a minute. And I also purchased the bucket and a 10-inch squeegee as well. So let's open this up. Let me show you exactly what I've got inside it, and then we're also going to go and use it. So let's do this, baby. Woo! That's what it looks like inside the box when you get it. This is your squeegee with an adjustable handle, so you can lock that in position. So if you want a different angle on that, you can just rotate it. And then to slide that out, I'm going to be guessing, how do you open that? Oh, that pops out and you can slide and you can adjust that, and it gives you some little arrows just there to find the centre of that, and you just lock it back in position. Look at that. The Germans, I think, are everything. What's that for as well? You can unlock. Is that for the rubber? Yeah. So the squeegee rubber inside, so if you need to replace any of them, just locks into position like so. How amazing is that? Same again, you can lock that off as well. Got some little Velcro on there so you can change it and take it off and then properly clean it if you need to. So I forgot to mention, both of these are 35 centimeters, so the washer and the squeegee, both 35 centimeters, so they're a decent size. Next, you've got your little pouch, so you're not going to be carrying that bucket around with you, so you can leave the bucket in the van and just use that. That's what it looks like inside, so you can just attach that to your belt. Just have it hanging down. You have your washer and your squeegees in there. There's enough room for 2 squeegees in there. Next, you've got your scraper, so you've got a button on the side just there. You can adjust the angle of the scraper to what you might need it. The scraper also comes with a buckle clip. There you go. It's got a little bit of stainless on there to protect it from getting scratched and what have you, so you can put that on your belt as well. And the last thing inside the box is a microfiber cloth. That's a 6-in-1 kit. The next thing to show you is the bucket. And as you can see, there is places and attachments on the bucket. They do come with it for your washer and your squeegees, which is a great addition for if you're carrying it around a property and you've not got one of those buckle clips like I'd have shown you earlier in the set. So there is markings on the side. I don't know if you can see them just there telling you how much water you've got in. It is in gallons and it is also in litres. At the end of the video, I will be going through the prices and I'll tell you everything that I've spent on this 6-in-1 kit and the bucket. So, just a little backstory on my window cleaning experience. So, this is going back some years, about 23 years ago when I was at college, I used to go window cleaning with my older brother. He was a firefighter, and back then they used to work 4 on, 4 off, and he always used to have a lot of spare time, and he's a bit of a dull boy, and it was like, I'm going to start a window cleaning business up, and you're coming with me. I didn't really get much choice in the matter, to be honest with you, but I also gained some valuable skills whilst out there. Ever since, I've always cleaned a zone windows around our house up until recently, until I got really busy at work and I just wasn't able to. So that's why we had to hire a water-fed pole window cleaner. Plus that also got me thinking, do you know what, I could do that. And then I looked into all these other different avenues in the exterior cleaning business, so that's why I've decided to start doing that. So to brush up on my skills, what I've done, went on YouTube like anybody would, and I've just put how to clean windows, and this guy come up. Absolutely banging. His explanation as to how to do things is amazing. So after you've watched this, jump onto his channel, check that out. I'll put a link in the description below. I'm not here to regurgitate anything that he's trying to tell you and explain to you, because obviously he's clearly a professional and I'm not. I'm just using his skills and his techniques to do what I need to do and make a start and get back in to window cleaning. And his name is Tradman the Window Cleaner. And so once you've watched my video, jump onto his channel and check some of his out if you haven't already. So let's make a start and let's start using this equipment that I purchased today. First thing I'm going to do though is put this buckle clip on my belt, because then I will look professional, won't I? You look like a bell end. So one of the things I learned off the Tradman window cleaner is get some dish soap, which we used to use back in the day, dish soap. They do sell some proper cleaning solution as well as, but for me, I'm just going to be using this today. And what he said not to do is just pour it straight in your bucket. That's what we used to do. Don't put it straight in your bucket. Put it on your washer. A line there and a line there. Then you can start using it to clean your windows. So let's get this wet. I'm going to lose your virginity, pal, for the first time. Are you ready? It's nice and wet in there, mate, isn't it? Go on then. That is absolutely soaking, and it is soaked that water up immensely. Oh, it helps with that water being warm, doesn't it? Absolutely lovely jubbly. Lovely jubbly. Now, he did use the Aldi Platinum dish soap, washing up liquid, whatever you want to call it. He used that and he swore by that. So I've not got any of that. We've just got Tesco's, a little bit posher than Aldi's. Should do the same thing though. So all I'm going to do, get a line across that side and a line across that side. Next thing to do is actually apply it to the windows. So I'll get my applicator with a line of dish soap on. I'll just apply that to the window. And when I do my window cleaning, it's not going to be a full-time thing. It's going to be maybe once or twice a week, because the other times I am going to be providing other services, pressure washer and roof cleans and things like that. So I'm not going to be doing this on a daily. And when it is going to be traditional, I'm only be going downstairs traditional. If it's a two-storey house and they want the upstairs doing, it's going to have to be water-fed pole. But bungalows, not a problem. So the reason I purchased this little 10cm one is for doing the smaller windows like this. So we'll just cut in. Do the top ones. Do this one as well. Not bad to say I've not done this for yonks. Drop that back in the old tool belt. They did used to have these tool belts back in the day, so technology-wise, that on that front's not changed much. The microfiber cloths are new, obviously. They're a new deal, so we'll just go around the edges, clean the bottom of that off. Do the same here, clean it off. Oh, look at that, shining like a diamond in a goat's eye. You can actually see out that window there. So the next thing I'm going to do is clean the bigger windows. So let's give this a billy bash. Cut in. I think I might have done that wrong. How does he do it? Cuts in that way, doesn't it? Down, over. Oh, this squeegee is proper smooth. Try it again on this one. Up, cut in, right into the corners. Just a bit back. And like he says in his videos, you want less movements, and that'll mean you're going to be doing it quicker. So all I'm going to do, that again. Just for laugh. Oh, it's all coming back to me now. Right, let me quickly just fly through these other windows. Them windows are sparkling, look. Oh!
I've seen your hair.
You see my quiff?
I did. Ooh, have you been cleaning windows?
Started to.
No, it's bloody raining.
I know. There you go, peeps. What do you think to them? Absolutely gleaming. Could do with doing the insides though. Jesus Christ, on a bike. Yeah, so they're done. Absolute mint. Love doing that. Really enjoy it. So let's start talking brass tacks. How much did all this lot cost? So this 6-in-1 kit, as you can see, just there, everything you've seen in it, £95. And for £95, you're getting a lot of equipment. You're getting some brilliant equipment as well. Obviously, that was the first time I've used it. That's the first time I've done window cleaning in a long time. And the equipment that you've seen that I used was absolutely amazing. So yeah, well worth £95. And if you're just sitting out, £95. Get yourself some cheap ladders off a Facebook Marketplace. You could get set up for 150 quid. You'd earn that money back within a day, no doubt. Next thing I purchased extra was the bucket. The bucket came in at a grand total of £15. You get the attachments with the bucket as well, so you can put your washer in it and your squeegees. It's a great little bucket as well. It's got a lock-on handle on it, as you can see. Tells you the measurements of what water you've got in there in litres and in gallons. So for £15, I couldn't really not get one. Once you've got it, you've got it. So the next thing I purchased was this. I bought an additional squeegee, the smaller squeegee, 10-inch. Yep, 10-inch, 100%. Same again, it's from Unger. Came in at £20 for that, so I paid an extra £20 for this little squeegee. And to be fair, straight out the box, I've had no issues with the one out of the kit, and I've had no issues with this one as well, leaving any marks or anything like that I didn't want any unwanted marks, let's say, once I've gone over the window. So yeah, if you're a beginner, you're looking for a kit, I think this Unger one is for you. It's ideal. You get everything you need. So yeah, absolutely brilliant. Like I said, I did buy the additional items, so grand total, £130 I spent on this full kit you can see right here. So if you're getting into window cleaning, especially the traditional side, it is a lot cheaper than the water-fed pole, because I have spent thousands on that, literally thousands of pounds setting up the water-fed pole side of the business. If you want a quick business, if you want to start something new, fast, quick, within a week, you can have everything, you can get it set up, you can advertise on Facebook, you'd be out there earning money within a week, guaranteed, for £130. If you've already got some ladders, bang in. If not, get on Facebook and buy some. So yeah, so for 130 quid, full kit like that, bucket, squeegees, holsters, scrapers, everything. You can't go wrong. So I will put a link in the description below of everything that I have purchased. You can get kits with less equipment in, so they are going to be cheaper. So if £95 is out of your budget, they do a lesser, cheaper version. So check that out if you are interested in any of this equipment that I have got right here. So that is it for today. All I've got to do now is clean the rest of the windows. So let's crack on. So I'll see you later. Ta-da, see you there. Bye-bye. Whoop, 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 whoop.